I had been seeing the Sherpa chair trend online and on many furniture websites, but oftentimes these pieces can be a bit pricey. I thought maybe I could try DIYing one myself and found a simple tutorial done by Hermoine Chantal.
Oh, hi guys.
Welcome back to Intentionalista. My name is Judy, and you know I love a good upcycled project. So, in celebration of
Spooky season.
we are going to take some of my spooky failed furniture and turn it into something
More my style. Starting with this purple desk chair.
Okay, so I mean, the chair isn't that horrid. It is one of the 3 Wayfair pieces I bought last year that actually didn't break on me. It's still functional, but the lavender is a bit hard to match in my room, so today we are changing that. I also purchased the Rust-Oleum Flat Black Paint Plus Primer Spray Paint to paint over the silver legs of my chair. I'm not sure that the 2x cover is really worth it though, to be honest, because it actually chipped on me. Also, don't forget your gloves, goggles, and a face mask. I covered the chair and the wheels before spray painting, and y'all don't really need to see me spray paint again, so I will show you the finished product. And here it is, ta-da! And then I finished the chair legs off with some sealer. So where are we getting the fabric for this DIY Sherpa chair, you ask? The fabric store? Nope, from a blanket. I learned this hack from Hermoine Chantal's channel, and it's a way to save you big money. So let's take it back to my trip to TJ Maxx to see their selection. If you were to go to a fabric store, you would pay per yard, but here you can get a whole blanket for just one price. Just look at how affordable these blankets are. This is an epic fabric hack. Also, Hermoine says to pick a blanket that does not have a pattern, as it'll be hard to match up when you wrap your chair. Also, pick a blanket size that you think will be able to fully cover your chair. I found the perfect reversible fabric, and I intended to use the brown side for the chair itself and the white for a back pillow when I'm using the chair. Luckily, I found a queen-sized version of this reversible throw to have extra fabric for my pillow idea. So for this project, I decided to upcycle an old pillow. I took 2 pieces of my leftover fabric and I'm just placing the pillow in between so that I can use it to mark how closely I want to sew. I am sewing the 3 sides of the pillowcase together, but I'm creating a longer 4th side that I'll be leaving unsewn to create a pocket. I'll show you this in a sec. Once you've sewn together the 3 sides of the pillowcase, you can then flip it inside out and then reinsert your pillow. Now, these are the longer 4th side that I had mentioned earlier. We're just going to cut them to size to the length of the pillow to be able to fold inside nicely. So here I'm just trimming off the excess, and once I have the right size, we can then fold them into the pillow, and this will allow me to take the pillow out if ever I need, which I wouldn't be able to do had I sewn all 4 sides of the pillowcase. And also it just makes the pillow look a little fluffier.
So are you guys ready for the big reveal? Ano ka ba, Jude? Just the chair? Yeah. Okay, we'll just
So the DIY Sherpa chair isn't perfs. There are some parts that I'd like to smooth out more, but all in all, it was fun saving a piece of furniture. I realized that I didn't have to buy a brand new chair and could use the money saved to spend on something a little more worthwhile for me. With less than $40 spent on this DIY Sherpa chair, I really can't complain. And hopefully you too will be inspired to repurpose some of your furniture as well. Just don't forget to have some fun with it. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed upcycled content like today's, please consider giving this video a like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.